Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee, and in this video I'll be showing you a super easy nail art design inspired by those cable knit sweaters that people wear in the wintertime. I've seen this design on social media, but the artists typically use acrylic and gel for texture, and so I thought I'd give this a go with just regular nail polish and my detail brush to see if I could get the same effect with less work. And honestly, I think they turned out pretty good, so I'm going to show you the steps. As always, I start by applying a base coat to prevent staining and prolong the duration of the design. And then you can use whatever colors you want, but I decided to go for some muted, neutral fall shades, earthy tones. These are just colors that I typically wear during this time of the year, so this is what I chose, but you can use whatever you want. Now once I have my base colors set and dried, I'm gonna take my detail brush and I'm gonna use a shade that's just a few shades lighter than the base color. And I'm gonna start painting some S's. Now, I am stacking the S's and painting them in a line from my cuticle all the way to the tip of my nail. Once the S's are stacked, they give the appearance of a twisted rope or a cable, like you see on the cable knit sweaters. Now to separate this design from the other designs I'll be adding, I'm going to paint some lines on each side of the S's. And then on one side of my nail, I'm just going to paint some diagonal lines going downward. And then some dots on the other side. Now you could do zigzags, you can do whatever shapes that your heart desires. I just found this pattern might be the easiest to try, even if you're a beginner. Now, if you don't have a lot of nail polish or you don't have a lighter shade, you can always take whatever colors you're using and just add a few drops of white polish to get the color that you need. Now I'm just going to show you guys one more time. I'm painting my S's from cuticle to tip. Make sure to close off the S's to give that appearance of the twisted rope. I'm adding my lines on each side of the S's, my diagonals or zigzags if you decide to add some extra steps, and my dots. I went ahead and painted all of my nails with the design, and this is how they look. Now you can keep them glossy, you can add a glossy top coat, or you can go a step further to give these a winter vibe and add a matte top coat. I prefer the matte look, but the shiny finish is also really pretty. And this is it, guys. This design is super easy, it's really fun. It's a great way to practice using your detail brush, creating shapes and lines. I actually had so much fun with it that I ended up creating a different pattern as well with plaid. I don't even like plaid, but it just goes really good with the sweater design, and so maybe it's something you could try once you have some practice. Guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and thank you again for watching.